SBA Publications.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. This is your mentor Soni Sati, and today with me we are starting our chapter number 7, and the name of our chapter is multiplication. So student, what multiplication is? That means to multiply the things. Okay, so to put the things together means addition, and when we do repeated addition it seems to be multiplication. So let's do the same with me in this chapter. Here we have let's revise exercise, in which we have some question, that is multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. So there are 3 rings. Each ring has 2 keys. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 rings हैं और उन सभी में 2 keys हैं. After that, in all there are 6 keys. That means here 2 is added 3 times. That is also known as repeated addition. Okay, so here we have some question, that is there are 4 pen stands. Each pen stand has 3 pen. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास 4 pen stand है, जिनमें से हर एक pen stand में 3 pen है. So what we have to do? That means in all there we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12. So there are total 12 pens. Here 3 is added 4 times. Okay. Likewise I did here. You have to similarly fill the details in this and this question also. Now let's move to the next page. Here we have introduction. So अब हम करेंगे इस चैप्टर का introduction. Look at this picture. We can do it by adding the numbers of flowers in each pot. So to get the answer, what we can do here, we can simply do the addition, and this is a repeated addition. There are 6 groups of 4 flowers, so we have 24 flowers in all. We can also write it as 6 multiplied 4, that is 24. So students, what we are seeing here, that each pot is containing 4 flowers, and to get the answer that how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pots have flowers, so we can simply do the addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 6 times 4. That is also known as multiplication. 6 multiply 4. So the answer will be same. That is why we also say multiplication is repeated addition. So we read the multiplication fact as 4 multiplied by 6 is equals to 24. How we read this? 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. Now multiplication is simply repeated addition, as I mentioned above of the same number. Now we are doing the exercise number 8.1. Okay, fill in the blanks. What we have to do here, we have to simply calculate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups are there. Each groups contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But how many they are containing in their own? So they are containing 2. So 7 into 2. So what we will say here? 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Okay. So you have to write here. Simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups were there, and each group contains 3 toys. So 5 into 3 is 15. Okay. Similarly, the rest of the part you have to do by yourself. So now we have multiplication on the number line. Example number 1. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. That is 5 jumps of 2. So what we will do here? Skipping 2 and jumping. 5 times jump. Then we will go to the 10. And 10 is our answer also. That means 5 into 2 is 10. Now 3 into 5 is 15. How we will prove it while using the number line? So we have to see the 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. We are reaching at 15 only. Okay. So that means our answer is correct. Okay. Now we are doing the exercise number 8.2. Filling the blanks. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 8 2s are 16. The calculation will be more easy when you will learn the table, the multiplication table. So now 8 multiplied 2 is 16. How we will do this? We have to do the jump of 8. We have to skip the 8 but 2 times only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so first jump reaches 8, second jump reaches at 16. So the answer is 16. Similarly, 3 into 5 is 15. So 3 into 5 is 15. Okay. Now we have properties of multiplication. Students, when we do multiplication, we have to remember and we have to aware of the properties of that. Okay. So जब भी हम multiplication करेंगे हमें कुछ चीज़ों का याद रखना पड़ेगा ताकि हमारी जो multiplication है वो easy रहे हमारे लिए. Okay. So multiplying by 0. There are 3 vases in Sakshi's house. साक्षी के घर में 3 vases हैं. Okay. How many flowers are in the vases? पूछ रहे हैं कि आप बताइए कि flowers कितने हैं vases में? So she has only 3 vases. It is not mentioned that the pots or the vases also contain some flowers. So we have to write here 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0 flowers. 3 groups of 0 flowers each is 3 into 0, that means 0. That means she doesn't have any flower in her vases. When you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. That means, by this we conclude that when we multiply a number with 0, so the answer will remain always 0. Okay? Now multiplying by 1. The next property is multiplying by 1. Now Sakshi has put 1 flower in each vase. So what we can do here? So 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is repeated addition. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 flowers. That means 3 groups of 1 flower each. That is, so 3 multiply 1 is 3. That means when we are multiplying a number by 1 with 1, so what we are getting? We are getting the number itself. Okay, that means 3 multiplied 1 is 3. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 7 multiplied by 7 is 7. That means we conclude that when we are multiplying a number with 1, when a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. Okay. Now order in multiplication. 2, 5, that is 2 into 5, and 5 and 2 is also 10. That means when we are changing the order, the answer will remain same. अगर आप 2 multiply 5 करें या आप 5 multiply 2 करें, सिमिलरली अगर आप 7 multiply 2 करें या 2 multiply 7 करें, सिमिलरली आप 3 multiply 9 करें या 9 multiply 3 करें, they are going to be the same. The answer is going to be same. Why? Because when we change the order in multiplication, the answer will remain same. 2 into 5 is 10 and 5 into 2 is also 10. Okay. So that was another property. Now we have exercise 8.3, filling the blanks. 7 into 8. That means here we have to change the order. 8 into 7. They are equal to each other. Okay. Now rest of the part you have to do by yourself. Now we have multiplication table. That is very important to you. Okay. That is very important to everyone because multiplication table आपका एक base होता है आपकी calculation की ओर. Okay. So table of 1 to 10. So 1 multiply 1, that is 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is always 3, 4 times 1 is always 4. Similarly, 5 times 1 is 5, 6 times 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 times 1 is 10. Okay. So यहाँ ये बताया गया है कि आप जो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो द आंसर इज सेम. जब आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, so 1 multiply is 2, 2 multiply 2 is 4, 3 multiply 2 is 6, 4 multiply 2 is 8, 5 to 10, 6 to 12, 7 to 14, 8 to 16, 9 to 18 and to 10, 20. Okay. Similarly, जब आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, जब आप 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, then 5, then 6. So these table you have to fill yourselves. Okay. by simply multiplication. Now simply when we multiply with 10, so the answer is 80, 90, 100. Okay. Now we have exercise 8.4. After filling the tables, you all have to learn it properly because these are very important to do the multiplication sums, to do any sums, because these are also repeated addition. This will make easy to do the addition sums also. Okay. Now exercise 8.4, filling the blanks using the multiplication table. 4 multiply 3. So simply read the table. 4 is a 4, 4 2 side and 4 3 are 12. Okay, so simply write here 12. Okay, similarly 8 2s are 16. 10 4s are 40. Okay, the rest of the part of this multiplication exercise you have to do yourself. Now we have multiplication of one digit number. We can also multiply vertically. Here we did the multiplication, but we can do also by vertically. Okay, 4 multiply 8 is 32. Answer is 32. It can also be written as 4 multiply 8. So 8 multiply 4 is 32. Okay, so we can also write here like this. Let's do multiply 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 7 7s are 49. Okay, simply you can do this by yourself. Okay, now we have exercise 8.5. Multiply 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. 7 multiplied by 3, that is 7 times 3. That means read the table 3 times of 7. So 7 is 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21. Okay. Similarly, rest of the part of this question you have to do by yourself. You have to do this exercise, rest of the parts by yourself. Now, multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So, when we are having 2-digit number and we have to multiply it with a 1-digit number, what we will do? We will do this. Firstly, do step number 1, multiply the ones. So, here we have provided 32 and 2. So, 2 multiply 2 is 4. Okay, now write 4 in the ones column. Now, step 2 says multiply the tens by 2. So, now do this kind of multiplication. Okay, and write the answer here. So, 3 2s are 6. So, 6. So, we will write here 6. So, the answer will be 64. Okay, now we have exercise 8.6. Multiply. Question number 1 says 43 multiplied by 2. So simply what we have to do here, we have to do multiply. Read the table. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So now you will understand that when we are aware of table and when we have learned the table, then we can do these kind of multiplication sums very easily within a minute, within a seconds. Okay. Now these rest of the parts you have to do by yourself as I did in the part number 1. Now multiplication of 2-digit number with regrouping. So regrouping is also a very interesting concept. So let's do the multiplication of 2-digit number with regrouping. Example is 46 multiplied by 4. Okay, so what step number 1 says? The very first step says that start the calculation from ones place. So multiply the digit as the ones. 6 4s are 24. But we will not write here 2 and 4. We will write this 2 as carried over to the tens place. Okay. So 4 is written here and 2 is written here. Now step 2 says multiply the digit at the tens place. So 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 are 17 and 18. So we will write here 18. Okay. 18 tens, that is 108 tens. So it can be also written as 184. So the answer is 184. Now we have exercise 8.7, multiply. 4 into 7, 7 4s are 28. So simply write here 2 by 28. Now, that is 7 5s are 35. So simply do the multiplication by just reading the table. Okay. Now the rest of the part of this exercise you have to do by yourself. Now we have multiplication of 3-digit number by a single digit number. That is multiply 243 by 2. So what we have to do here, we have to do simply calculation as we know starting from the ones place. Multiply the ones. 3 into 2 is 6 ones. So 3 into 2 is 6. Now 4 into 2 is 8. Now 2 into 2 is 4. So step number 3 says multiply the hundreds. So answer is 486. On behalf of this explanation, you have to do the exercise 8.8. Multiply. The question number 1 says multiply 422 with 2. So 2 2s are 4. Now 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. As I did in the question number 1, simply follow the steps, follow the methods and the explanation part and do this question by yourself. Now we have the concept of multiplication of 3-digit number with regrouping. So example says multiply 156 by 3. So make a column firstly, then write the values and then do the calculation. So 6 into 3, first step is multiply at one's place. 6 into 3 is 18. So 8 is written here and 1 is written here. Now 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus 1 is 16. So 6 is written here, 1 is going at the 100 place. Now 3 into 1, that is 3 plus 1 is 4. So 468 is your answer. These are our step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Now we have exercise 8.9. So we have to do the same as I did in the example. So 129 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. 1 is written here at the tens place as a carried over. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 2 1s are 2. So answer is 258. Similarly, rest of the part you have to do by your own. Okay. Now we have arrange in columns and multiply. Here is the fact what you have to do here. Firstly make a column yourself. Okay. Then write the answer. So first is 176 into 4. Make a column as I am making 174. 176 multiplied by 4. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. 29 and 30. And 4 ones are 4 plus 3. That is 7. 704. So the answer is 704. Okay. Now rest of the part of the question number 2, you have to do yourself. Now we have word problems part. Example, there were 3 boats. Each boat had 10 children. How many children went for the boat ride? यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है कि 3 बोट हैं, 3 नाव हैं जिसमें हर बोट में 10 चिल्ड्रन बैठे हैं. तो बताइए टोटल कितने बच्चे बोट में राइड कर रहे हैं. सो वी विल राइट हियर चिल्ड्रन इन ईच बोट, दैट इज 10. 10 are in each boat. Now number of boats are 3. So simply do multiplication. 3 zeros are 0, as we know the property of multiplication when we multiply a number with 0. So the answer is 0 always. So 3 zeros are 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Now 3 ones are 3. The second property. Okay. So 30 is the answer. Now we have exercise 8.10 in behalf of word problems explanation. So do this question by yourself. One I am doing for you. There are 16 children. Each child ate 2 apples. How many apples were eaten? So टोटल 16 बच्चे थे जिनमें से हर बच्चे ने 2-2 एप्पल खाए. बताइए टोटल एप्पल कितने खाए. ठीक है. तो नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन आर 16 and each child ate 2 apples. 6 2s are 12 and 2 1s are 2 and plus 1 is 3. So 32 is the answer. So we can write here the total number of apples eaten are 32. Similarly, these part of the word problem exercise you have to do by yourself. We have revision worksheet. Take the correct answer. The answer we get after multiplication is called. So we all know. So the answer we get after multiplication is always known as product. So product. So simply write here product. Now we have question number 2. Fill in the circles with the help of multiplication table. So 7 into 2 is 7 2s are 14. Very good. 5 4s are 20. So if you have learned the table, you can answer these questions within a second after reading the table. Now match the following 6 4s. That means 6 multiplied by 4. That is 24 also. 6 4. So this one is 6 4. Like 8 5. So 8 5 is this. Okay. And multiply 8 5. Okay. So as I did here, you have to do the rest of the matching by yourself. Now maths lab activity. This maths lab activity you have to perform in your school maths lab with the teacher and with your students and classmates also. Okay. I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. If you found any query in the chapter in any part, please go once again to the video so that your concept, your queries are totally clear. Let's meet you in the next video with another chapter. Till then, keep on learning. Take care. Bye bye.